Hello everyone, it is Dale. We are here today with another flavor video.
Is it?
Noise.
Yeah, and today we are going to be trying Yami Vapor. They have a Nic Salt line, and it's basically their flavors that Yami has in Nic Salts.
Yes.
So we kind of just wanted to try it out. And this one is Icy Trio.
Icy Trio. About to get a menthol blast or what?
I don't know, you're gonna find out. And look at this cute little 30 ml chubby gorilla bottle. How cute's this thing? Anyway, so this one is Icy Trio, and the flavor description is: with a blend of tangy but sweet kiwi, luscious ripe strawberry, and a juicy lychee, or lychee.
Lychee sounds cooler.
Is an amalgamation worth checking out.
Let's give it a go.
Yeah, so we're gonna be trying it today out of the Vapechino Mate 1 with the mouth to lung pod, which is my favorite. If you didn't watch that video, you should go check it out because it's freaking awesome.
Holy excuse my language. Oh my god, the lychee in this.
I'm gonna try it now. Stop making fun of me, JP. It's early.
Well, you know what? There's actually a lot of flavor in this. I thought because it was such high nicotine levels that it wouldn't have much flavor, but it definitely does.
Why does it taste so much more spectacular in this Vapechino?
I don't know. I
Mate
said the
1.
same thing. This is a good flavor. So I did not like this flavor as a regular, their regular flavors, but I do like it out of the Nic Salt in a pod system. I do think that that's fantastic. How's the menthol?
It's funny because it's not. I was just about to say it's not like really icy at all. I mean, there's a little kick of menthol. Yeah, I can taste it, but it's not like overpowering where you're crystallizing your esophagus. You know.
That's good. This is good. And the 50, once you hit it a couple times, not so bad.
This one that we're trying is 50 milligrams, so it is kind of harsh. But I'm sure the 30, I think it's 36, would be amazing.
I'll probably get a little lightheaded.
I like it.
Oh, that's really pleasant.
Now you get good notes of strawberry, kiwi, and lychee. Correct me if I say that wrong. I'm sorry, everyone. But
It's lychee.
or it could be likey, leaky,
Lychee.
lychee.
I like this a lot. I don't know why I haven't bought one of these yet.
Yes, flavor's really good. I like the way that the lychee or a lychee and the kiwi melds together. That amalgamation is just wonderful.
No, yeah, it's pretty solid. It's nice and smooth. It's not like overpowering in the nicotine or flavor department, but it does have a nice smooth flavor touch to it with a very subtle kick of menthol.
It's like a, no, it's not like that.
So not much cloud production off of these things, huh?
No, it's a pod system. Oh, yeah, no, there's not much cloud production because it's a pod system. It's for Nic Salts. You do not want to vape Nic Salts in a sub-ohm tank because it will tear your chest up.
Yeah.
Inside, not like on the outside, just on the inside.
This is fantastic. I could vape this all day.
Their original to me was like crazy cold, but not like too cold, but it was crazy cold. Out of this, it's like perfect. And I'm not a menthol person. I like this flavor. Good job.
Nyet! How about that?